Hi and welcome back to my channel. So let's just jump right into it. If you can get a piece of paper out and maybe a pen or a canvas and paint, whatever you want to do, that is cool with me because today you're going to come back and get crafty with me, Jackie. And today I'm going to be showing you another cool modern abstract face art piece that I made in just literally less than 3 minutes. And you're going to see me do it in real time as I talk it through with you. So basically all I'm doing here is just drawing very loose lines, abstract, what a face might look like, and it's really up to your imagination. And I think what's really cool about making these kind of abstract pieces of artwork that has helped me in between either doing crochet or other projects I'm working on is just exploring what it means to let your pen just kind of guide you on the canvas. And what's really cool about making art is that typically a lot of us are some of our own worst critics. If you create art full-time or for fun, making art can be very challenging because the pressure of getting perfection. And here I'm just doing a easy, using pen and paper, writing cool, funky scribbles of what I think a face looks like. So I really want you to lean into not worrying about perfection and more worrying about, are you having fun and playing, and leaning into it. I think it's really important for adults to take time in their day-to-day crazy lives. If you have a 9-to-5, if you have a freelance position, like whatever job, whatever way, it's really important, I think, that we need to take time to play. And I've been realizing this the more I make art, is how fun and why I loved making it so much as a kid. And I don't know why I've neglected it in my adult life. It kind of feels like, oh, maybe what's the point? It's not going anywhere. But what's the point is, what's the point of having fun? What's holding you back from just taking time to be with yourself and reflect on life and be present? And I think we often forget that we're just scrolling on our phones endlessly. You can find mindfulness, and this is just a really fun way to kind of make some cool, funky, abstract art while you're doing this and taking time for yourself. And I think it's really important that we schedule out that time and play, especially in our adult life. I cannot stress that enough. So I'm just here letting my creativity run wild as I would when I was a kid, and I'm just really loving how this is turning out. And soon you will be seeing the final reveal. It's coming together and it's all just different sizes, playing with scale, playing with position, playing with composition. These are all key terms that you learn either if you went to art school. I have a minor in graphic design. These are all just key terms that we did when I'm in studio art classes or when I was in graphic design classes back in the day when I was in college. And what's really fun is that once you learn these basic techniques, you can just kind of go off and do your own thing and create your own style. And that's what I'm on currently in my artistic journey, is creating my own style of art and my own style of creativity and making different crafty things and exploring that. So, all that to say, now we have a completed piece, and I just think this is so fun and cool to look at. And if you made it this far in the video, please comment below your favorite emoji, and if you decide that this inspired you to get creative in your life today, please feel free to share it on social media and tag me on my Instagram or TikTok at Crafty with Jackie. I hope to see you next time, guys, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!